How to add a lead capture form. Hi, I'm Ryan Huff. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a lead capture form to your website. I'll then connect this lead capture form with MailChimp. Finally, I'll test that the lead capture form is working. But before I get into it, I wanted to take a step back and explain why I'm making this video. Firstly, this video is a part of a series of videos where I show you exactly how to make a Clicky website with WordPress. I've laid out my entire process in easy to follow mind map with process notes and the Clicky website templates. If you'd like a free copy, just head on over to my website by clicking the link that will. In this guide I'll show you how to add a lead capture form to your website, how to sign up to the free MailChimp service, and connect MailChimp to your lead capture form. The first thing you want to do in WordPress is go to Pages and All Pages, and then on the page that you want to put your lead form, you then just click on the Edit with Thrive Architect. So this is my pricing page where I'm going to add the form to. So I'll first change the headline. And then I'm going to get rid of what we've currently got on this page. Then we're going to drag a lead capture form into this page, and that's what you'll end up with. Next thing, we're going to edit the form elements, and we click on the sign up and then add our text in there, and we update that. Then I want to click on the button color. I'm going to change that to my red and apply. And save and close that. So that's our form. It looks pretty good. The next thing we want to do is connect our form to our service. I want to click on New API Connection. Then add new API connections. Add new connection. Click on the drop down box, we want to choose MailChimp, and then we want to get our API key from MailChimp. So this is the MailChimp account I've set up for Clicky website. So on the profile here you would just click on account, and then you would go into extras and API keys, and then within API key you will have your API key here. So just copy the API key, paste the API key into there, and click connect. You'll want to choose MailChimp. Now within MailChimp you would have, in another guide that I've done, you would have set up your first list. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm choosing my mailing list, so Clicky website's pricing guide, and continue. Now I want the email and the name fields, I want those both required, so then I'll click next. And I want to, you can choose a couple of options, but I'm going to choose to redirect to custom URL, and I'm going to do that to a thank you page, and then I'm going to go save. And once that's done, I will save the page, and this is what our page looks like. And I'm just going to now check that this connection is working with MailChimp. So I'll put in my first name, my email address, and I'll click the button. And of course I haven't created the thank you page yet. It's been redirected here, but I haven't yet actually created that page. And so now I go into my MailChimp account, and you can see for my list I have got one subscriber. One subscriber is me, that's my email address, so I can see that the form has been added and connected to my website and is working. That's all for this guide. Thank you. Remember, if you want to get a copy of my free mind map, process notes, and the Clicky website templates, then just head on over to my website to download it. There's a lot of back-end work and plugins that go into setting up a Clicky website. I do offer a paid service to do everything for you. If that's of interest, you can email me at ryan@clickywebsites.com or visit my website. I regularly add new videos to my channel, so make sure you subscribe if you want to get them as soon as possible. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what other videos you'd like me to make.